What's up, YouTube? D Brooks coming with another video. So some of you guys already know I have a b2200 1987 and I am doing a fuel system overhaul, and this is the new fuel tank and this is the new fuel sending unit. So I'm going to go ahead and install that so you guys can see it, in case you were ever in the process of doing that yourself. You guys can see what it looks like. If you buy the fuel tank, I think I bought this one on Amazon. You buy this fuel tank on Amazon, it's a Spectra. It comes with a seal for this right here, but that's if you're going to replace just the fuel tank. But if you buy the fuel sending unit, it'll also come with a seal, so just make sure you don't use both. You only need to use one of these. I'll be using the screws from this with this, because the other one was rotted out, so I won't be doing that. So that's pretty much it. I'll show you guys here in a minute how to install it. Like I was telling you, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in, but I wanted to share something with you guys because some people may not know that this is the reason, or could be the reason, that your fuel gauge is floaty or very inaccurate. This is your fuel sending unit, so it sends the data or information to your gauge cluster to tell how much fuel you have in your vehicle. So when you have a full tank, this goes up, and if you can come in a little bit, this will send a signal to your computer or to your instrument cluster, just showing that you have more fuel in there. And when it goes down, it's going to show that you have less fuel. So and when you put this in the vehicle, you want to make sure that you put it in with the fuel lines facing the side of the car or truck or whatever you're putting in, where the fuel lines are at. You don't want to put it in this way. Are you able to see the tank? Mm-hmm. On my truck, the fuel lines are coming off the frame rail, and this is going to sit with the tank going outside the vehicle to the left, to my left. So I'm just going to put this in here like this. To be careful not to damage anything. Like that. And I already have the seal on this one because it came with it. So I'm just gonna use these new screws here to install it. So you do not want to double seal it, but you definitely want to, if you don't have a new, you don't want to reuse the old seal, that's for sure. You only need one seal. You don't need to you don't want to reuse the old one. Okay. So let's go ahead, get this bad boy situated. Also, I'm wearing a Band-Aid. The inside of this tank is very sharp, so don't try to pick it up by the inside. You will get cut. Ask me how I know. So let's line these up. Here we got my screwdriver. Want to kind of get them started. You don't want to cross thread. So I recommend, maybe using a screwdriver, but at least get them started by hand. And then after that, if you want to use, I would just use a screwdriver the whole way. It's really easy to cross thread it, and then you'll be looking at tapping it or a new fuel tank, which you don't want to go down that road. So just take your time, get the screws lined up, make sure the seal is lined up, and you just know that it's done right, that's pretty much it. I also need to order a new one of these. This is like a, it keeps your vehicle from spitting fuel out if you were to roll over, from what I understand. I really don't know, to be honest with you guys. I don't know what it does, but I know I need a new one because this seal is bad, okay?
Comment below if you know what it is.
Comment below if you guys know what that is. But that's pretty much it, guys. Pretty short video. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave the questions in the bottom. If you have the answer for what this is, comment below. Which, yeah, comment below. And if you guys want to see more videos, make sure you like, comment. Yeah, I already asked you guys to comment. If you guys want to see more videos, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell.